Okay, welcome to my individual research video presentation for COMM5030. So here we go through our contents. Firstly, the first part will be introduction, and second part is research methodology. Third part is about findings analysis, and finally we'll wrap up with discussions and implications. Okay, now let's start with our introduction of the objective. So here we want to investigate how CSR initiatives and partnerships can address challenges and also enhance joy of giving's work in children's education and sustainability. So in this part, my research theme is about to conduct successful CSR partnership model in search and provide actionable strategies for joy of giving to build and sustain impactful cooperations with business partners. And also my part of study will contribute by offering practical examples and strategies for our clients, which will be integrated into industry analysis, feasibility recommendation, and also actionable plans for joy of giving. So next part is about our research methodology. So here we have like primary and secondary data. Firstly, I will be using generative AIs to generate passes to find applicable methods for me to continue the next steps that I can conduct. And thanks to the great opportunities of the client meetings, we can propose questions and receive direct feedback through this process. And also for secondary data, we have journal articles so that we can seek academic sources for data security. Okay, now next part is about findings. So here we've got successful CSR partnership models like Tom's Shoes, and their 1-for-1 model donates a pair of shoes for every 1 pair sold. And this model has distributed millions of shoes to children in need, demonstrating how CSR can create shared value. Another example is about Unilever. This is a long-term partnership focused on improving hygiene and sanitation in developing countries. So Unilever provides funding and resources, and this partnership shows how strategic alignment and long-term commitment can drive meaningful social change. Okay, so let's continue to the final part is about discussion. So here we have strengths and limitations. So strength here is that I can focus on mutual benefits and also add practical value to our team project. And speaking of limitations is that the focus is also on large companies, potentially overlooking smaller firms with strong CSR partnerships. And we have insufficient data for samples of like small firms. And speaking of the further research areas, I will conduct a literature review on CSR and also to incorporate in-depth research on potential partnerships. Also, it's about to expand the industry analysis to include emerging sectors and smaller companies. And speaking of the next steps, we have industry analysis and feasibility recommendations, and also we will perform a quantitative impact assessments so that we can work with our group to address the research gaps and expand the industry scope. Thank you. That's all.